In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google on your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though accessing Google is not as straightforward as you might think, you can use a particular workaround to get this done. So you can't simply open a web browser and go into the Google search website and browse through there. What you have to do is trick the web browser into letting you access Google. So to do this, access the settings. Inside of the settings, go into the users and accounts options, and then under account, go to security. And then under users and accounts, go to linked services or link with other accounts. Under this option here, linked services, you will find YouTube. So essentially, we're going to be using the web browser to go into the YouTube website and then navigate manually to the Google homepage, where of course we can use the search function in there. So when you choose linked services or link account and you choose YouTube, you will see the option here, so choose link. And you have to select use browser. So ignore the QR code, ignore this code, and choose the option to use the web browser to link your YouTube account. As I've said before, this will open a standard web browser window, but it will be signing us with Google to YouTube. So to go into the Google website instead, go into the terms here. So hover over this option here and choose terms. And you will be redirected into this page, the Google Privacy and Terms of Service. Using your cursor, choose this grid of icons here that are all the Google apps, and then you will find Google Search. Now that you've selected Google Search, you can browse the web normally. So you will be brought into the Google Search website, and you can search for whatever you wish. So to keep it simple, in summary, go to the option to link with YouTube, go into Use Browser, choose the Terms option, and this will redirect you into the Terms of Service page. Now open all of the Google apps by using this grid at the top right, and then open Google Search. Now you are free to navigate the web using Google. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.